following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a drill, and this is not the test. There is an identified Komodo dragon-like entity who is now beginning its transition to create a global threat. He stands over 100 feet tall, and is capable enough to destroy everything at sight, such as buildings, vehicles, forests, even taking innocent lives. His name is Tyrus. He is from the dark dimension of the Netherlands, who wants nothing more than to destroy humanity. The American government wants to reassure you by guaranteeing protection for all American citizens throughout the process. An emergency plan has been put in place in the last few hours to restructure the country. All borders will now be closed to people wishing to leave. Every citizen must take shelter immediately during the threat of Tyrus. If you can't find a shelter, get to a vehicle so you can take refuge immediately. Don't panic, remain calm. Panicking will make this disaster worse. Ask for the heroes, be careful, empty shirt to stop Tyrus at all costs before it's too late. Stay tuned for more information about the situation. May God be with you all.